Thus, the price rise could have had no effect on a particular segment, could have had a very high effect on a particular segment or a marginal effect. Thus, to find out how it has affected the cost of living on the index number, we shall have to categorize the people of the society, which shall be done on the basis of three, that is the industrial workers, the urban non-manual employees and the agricultural laborers. Well, when we have to construct the cost of living index number, the features that we have to keep it into account are which particular segment are we going to pick up, and then we have to find out the commodities which they use, and thus we have to include those commodities. Further that, then we talk of the base year, then we talk of the current year prices. We must be well aware of what the prices are and then giving weightage to it. Now for example, I shall tell you, supposing I talk of out of three, let me pick up the agricultural laborers. If I talk of the agricultural laborers and I have to find out or I have to construct the cost of living index number of the agricultural laborers, I have first of all picked up my segment. Now next what I have to do is the commodities which have to be kept in mind. Now I should not be taking up cars, refrigerators or say air conditioners. What I shall be picking up, the basic necessities of life. It could be the construction of house, it could be the eatables, it could be the clothes. Thus, my commodities shall include their basic necessities. Then I pick up the base year, a year which did not show much inflation or deflation, and then I must find out from various sources the prices of those commodities at the current year. After that, I must give weightage to what commodities are. For example, if I talk of eatables, then they are going to be much more. When I talk about clothes, the weight is not going to be that much. When I talk about the construction of house, it could be very meager, because they could be hardly spending on the construction of their house and could be living as they are. Thus, in the cost of living index number, what we have to do is we have to find out our segment of society, their needs, commodities and the base year, followed by the prices of the current year and the weightage which has to be given.